Hello, today we're looking at the 4.3 metre box by Drop Truck. This particular box is for IKEA. We do them for diesel and electric trucks. It's a patented floor design. The box weighs around 550 kilograms. Very strong. We have these door stays, just come out and hold the door into place. Adjustable handles, they can be moved up and down depending on the height of the operator. And inside we have a full cargo web system. It's very strong. 15mm honeycomb, composite polycarbonate inside. These are adjustable floor restraints, 250 kilograms, standard on all our bodies, and we're the only people in Australia to do them. Water groove, so the water can't go back into the truck. Rear step standard. We can do 6 pallet full width or the standard rental spec, which is 2200 wide. There you have it, the Drop Truck 4.3 metre box.